My name is John.
And I'm Austin.
Oh, I guess I'm Molly, guys. I'm just the folder, but it's all right.
And we're going to be talking about paper airplanes and different like paper densities.
Okay.
And because of the cardstock's density, whenever you throw it's like a dart, so it'll go like further and faster than a normal piece of paper.
Okay. So we have a normal piece of paper, just like copier paper, and then we have cardstock. And they are going to make identical paper airplanes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And then we're going to take them into the hallway and see which one will go further. All right, are we ready to start folding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.